If you encounter suspicious activity on your Skrill account, it's important to report it promptly to protect your funds and personal information. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Access the Skrill website or app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, look for the Help or Support section, usually found at the bottom of the page or in the app menu. This section contains resources and options for reporting issues. Step 3. Select the reported option. In the Help section, find the option for reporting suspicious activity or fraud. This may be labeled as Report Fraud or Report Suspicious Activity. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Provide details of the suspicious activity. Fill out the required form with detailed information about the suspicious activity you observed. Include specifics such as transaction amounts, dates, and any messages or communications that raised your concerns. Step 5. Submit your report. After reviewing the information you provided, submit the report. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your report has been received. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up communication from Skrill regarding your report. By following these steps, you can ensure that any suspicious activity is reported effectively, helping to keep your account secure. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Skrill's customer support.